Hello. Oh. Good grief. Have you seen Tail Butt lately?
No.
Me either. Hi, guys.
I've seen Chubby Choverson a lot. I've seen Boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
Not as much, but still fairly often.
Mm-hmm.
And I've seen this one squirrel. They're pretty scared, but they've got these really noticeable
Ear tufts.
hair tufts. Yeah.
Hello. You're really cute. Did the shell get stuck on your little hand? Oh, cute. Want a peanut? Chicken don't want the peanuts. Where did chicken go? Oh, I see you. You're really, really cute. You want this one? There you do. Yesterday, I told one of the gerbils that I wanted to pet it, and I was like, just let me touch you. And I went to touch it, and it turned, and when it turned back around, it ran smack into my finger, and I went boop on its head on accident, so I still got to touch it. It was awesome. Hi, little duck. Hi, little duck. She's really cute. She's gonna come say hi to me. Hi, little ducks. Come and say hi to me. I like this little duck. She's a really cute little duck. Hi, little duck. Shop, shop, shop. Hi, little duck. Shop, 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 shop. Hi, little duck. Shop, shop. Really? Where's this? Shop, shop, shop. Shop, shop, shop. Shop, 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 shop. Shop, shop, shop. What, Beaner? Ba-ba-ba-ba! Beaner bang! What's up? She's more wetter than you are. Ha ha. Ha ha. Oh, hello. Oh, hey. Come on. Want this one? Here you do.